What's the point of pushing his hand so I don't get shot if I'm gonna fall off?
Jordan, you would not believe what the fuck they did to you. Like, they came down here and did all sorts of things. I feel like I shouldn't tell you. This one guy saw you. He's not the same. His name's Eddie.
I knew you were gonna say that. God damn it. Who's that?
I don't know who that is. I can't see the name tag.
Dalton, I'm gonna die. I survived. Oh. Well. That shotgun use is really fucking him up.
Yeah, dude, I freaking put so many damage clips into this. And why is this thing still wiggling?
So, who is this lot?
Jordan, is it still wiggling for you? Jordan? I'm not going crazy, am I? Because his toes are still tapping and his tentacles are still wiggling for me. Are you seeing this too? Maybe if I step on it, it'll stop.
I mean, for me, there's no tentacles or toes attached to it, but there is a big chunk of meat there that was vibrating.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave. That looks really awkward.
I can't see what you're seeing.
So it's like the lower half of his body. You know how it sprouts out. You know how it's just legs with 3 tentacles just walking at you. Well, just imagine that. Now cut the tentacles in half and cut off one of his shins. And imagine like all that shit wiggling around just on the ground. Just is pretty weird. And his foot's tapping too, so he must be listening to music.
Can you tell what kind of music it is by the tapping?
No, I can't. All I can hear is the sound of his tentacles whipping through the wind. Damn it, I have full med.
Oh, he's alive.
Oh shit, oh, go, die.
I think you're good. Oh, he's alive too.
God damn it, how I'm full of ammo. Not anymore. Damn, I have full inventory. I have to go somewhere and like sell some stuff. Or I gotta get hurt and use some of these health packs or something. Whoa. Yeah, I have a lot of health packs. Hey Jordan, you need some health packs?
Yes I do. Hooray! Oh, well, I can't fit any more than that. Apparently my inventory is not very large.
I have a lot. Like, I had to waste stasis packs. So I can fit more in here. Oh.
Carver, what the hell is going on down there? Danik flatlined the extraction team. Fuck! I'm coming in with
Lunar
Eudora.
Times
Find a way out of the
News.
city.
How about the trains at Washington Station? We can ride one out.
And how are we supposed to do that? Figure it out. I'll see you on the track.
Oh my god, I have this really big wound on my face. Can you see that?
Oh my gosh.
I
Get
can't.
that checked out. And somebody's dying over here.
I guess he died before he got to this side. Hey. Hey, Dalton.
Oh my god, people. Killed him.
Hey, Dalton.
Oh.
Welcome to the hotel.
Thank you. I'd like a book of room.
Yes, let me see.
Somewhere that's not reeking like blood.
Should be somewhere here next to my wife's picture and our wedding picture. Oh, yes, here it is next to the coffee cup. Obviously, this is a document for a room. You can have that. And you're going to need a key. Instead of a key, you can you can have some coffee. There you go.
Thank you. Alright, now let's go. Ooh, ammo.
Hey, look, another one of the benches that we can't use.
Ooh, aw, damn it. Whoa. Oh my god, this plate. No.
Hey, who wants game?
Well, he almost distracted me from this great sale of buy two, get one free.
Lightspeed is delish.
Someone made a mess. Glad I don't work here.
Indeed they did. Right? The O Lounge.
I want to go in.
Sensual massage. Salvation is near service. 1 o'clock. Let's see that one, Jordan. That looks like a nice movie.
What time is it? Did we make it?
We once trusted with our future.
I don't know. Let's see if the trains work. Oh, that's not a train.
What's not a train? Oh, that is not a train.
Those things. Oh,
Yo.
Jordan. We're fine.
We're not fine. He's super fast.
Oh, never.
I am stronger than I look.
Get him, Jordan.
Get him.
Get him, Jordan.
This is what
Get him,
happens when you
Jordan.
mess with us. Is he dead?
Got him.
Alright, I think we're good.
Wow, that was pretty fast. Kinda cleared him out. Ooh.
Oh, that
Tool
is
of
something.
terror. Hello. Oh, wait a minute. That's not
Ew,
a tool of
that's-
terror.
Did that person just get killed? That lady just got killed.
Yeah, they did.
Well, I mean, we couldn't have done anything about it. Oh, and he just killed the guy
No.
who gives us the tickets on the train. Well, it looks like we're hitchhiking. Oh man, this thing just says right here, be there on time.
Will this get there on time? Or get us there on time? Now wait a minute. Are we
I don't know, I
late?
don't have a clock.
Fuck. Let's run.
Station, where the fuck are the...
Oh, the train.
We gotta
Train's not
fix
even
it or we
working,
won't be
Jordan.
on time.
Come on, give me a hand.
Thank. It's all good. I'm a mechanic at
One of these spare trains.
thingy. I know exactly what I'm doing.
We don't have time for this shit.
Train assembly incomplete.
I got this, man. I moved it.
Car before initiating departure sequence.
You're good. You're good. And you're good.
helicopter
Sup?
bird.
I think we could make a good living as being trained repairmen.
Departure process initializing.
So
Yep.
this is our train?
Of the train.
Wait, it's supposed to stop.
I
and
think
let
we
us
might
get
have
on
been
there,
late.
right?
All right, Norton. The train's hooked up and ready to head out the south gate. You can't
Wait.
It'll be the only thing moving.
What does this say?
I'll close in once you clear
Restricted
the city. Be ready for
area.
pickup. This is going to be tricky.
Oh hey!
Hey.
Oh
there
hey!
we
What's
go.
that over there?
Somebody
Oh,
left the
they,
ramp down.
oh!
But
Go
blood
inside.
everywhere. Oh, it's people. Let's get in the train.
Waiting.
Yeah,
Waiting.
Can you tell me anything about
It
Ellie's
says waiting.
disappearance? Where was she last?
Why,
Sure.
what are we
Let's
waiting
read
for?
some
We're
magazines
almost
while we
late.
wait.
God.
The keyhole station. She shocked
Oh,
up
hello.
the secret coordinates she'd found.
Ooh, dibs on the one with the girl in the bikini. You get the one with
There's
the blob.
blob.
Oh, bodies.
Still alive, and I imagine she's probably pissed as hell we haven't found her yet.
I can't even tell what that says underneath that. Oh, hey, this
come
other
on.
sign says "Be there on time."
Oh my God! Jordan,
Just
they're kind of shooting
run.
at us.
Use the evasive maneuvers that we've learned
Run.
over the course of playing games.
Norton, which ship is
Why can't we just hop off
hang on.
ledges?
One that just flew over your head.
You got this, man. We're totally pro at
Shit,
Oh, look
lost
out.
the main battery. Isaac, get your ass up here.
this.
Just
No! The
run.
ladder! It almost made me go back up. Shit!
Now or never. Come on.
No!
He blew me away. He one-shot me, Dalton. With whatever it was, I literally just got blown away.
It's now or never, Isaac. Come on.
Oh, that was great. That was... We got this. Where did you go? What the hell?
Wait a minute.
How did you get a... Yeah.
I got money. I got money.
Oh, God.
It's okay.
I gotta tap A.
I got money. Oh God, I
Shit.
gotta help you up. I could totally let you die. I could have
Well,
totally let you
damn.
die right there.
Got it. Take us out of here now.
They should have waited before jumping.
Actually, yeah. Did the back even close? Cause